How to fix some privacy-related extensions may cause issues on x.com. So if X Twitter isn't loading properly or keeps showing you that error message that are caused by privacy-related browser extensions. First, open your browser. I'm using Edge. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. That's your settings menu. Next, go down and select Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy, Search and Services. Then, open Cookies and click on See All Cookies and Site Data. In the search bar, type x.com, and when it appears, clear all cache and data related to X. This will remove any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Once that's done, scroll down to the bottom left and click on Extensions. Now, turn off all your extensions, especially if they mention privacy, ad block, or tracking protection, like ad blockers, VPN-related tools, or tracking protection add-ons. These can sometimes block scripts that x.com needs to work correctly. After you've disabled the extensions, go back to x.com and refresh the page to see if the problem is fixed, and check if everything's working again, like your feed loading, post showing, and buttons responding. If the issue is fixed, you'll know one of your extensions was the cause. You can turn them back on one at a time to find out which one caused the problem. If you're still getting the same issues, don't worry. One last thing you can try is switching to a different browser. Sometimes just changing browsers can completely solve the issue, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to get x.com working smoothly again. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.